And there goes Audi. I'm saying, so that's gonna be. Here, man, this thing look crazy.
Round 1, fight!
Yeah, man, welcome back to another video, baby. Hey, y'all see by the thumbnail what we finna get done, baby. We changing the game again, but it might be a little surprise rather than just what y'all see. So stay tuned as we go into detail on what I did. Game changer, baby. Game changer. I just want to say real quick, I definitely appreciate everybody who showed Subzero love and showed me love at Fuel Fest 2021. If you ain't seen that video, go check that video out. It's definitely a banger. Cody Walker was there, Tyrese was there, Vin Diesel made an appearance there, you know what I'm saying? Fortunately, they didn't get to see Subzero. Actually, Cody Walker did see Subzero. Cody Walker seen Subzero, but I was trying to find that news clip, but I can't find it. But it's all good though. We out here putting in work, man. But yeah, man, just appreciate everybody who showed Subzero love, and definitely appreciate everybody. You know what I'm saying? Like it means a lot. You know, truly humbled. Shout out to Fuel Fest for even having me and my team rap sesh there and everything. So it was definitely a fun experience. Subzero definitely gonna be back next year. And yeah, man, I can't wait. But like I said, that's all I wanted to say, man. Just appreciate everybody who showed Subzero love, man. It was super dope, man. Dope meeting everybody and all the kids that took a picture with Subzero. Also, I will be getting more stickers made. Everybody who took a picture with Subzero just showed Subzero love. They ended up getting a sticker, but I got to get more because a lot of people like the Subzero_Charger stickers. So yeah, man. So stay tuned. We finna drop this car off and get some crazy work done to it. And appreciate everybody who really been tuning into the channel lately. Appreciate all the new subscribers and everything like that. So if you're new here and you like the content, if you want to like it, and then if you want to see more content, Subzero content, subscribe, man. So I'm gonna stop blabbing.
One eternity later.
Yeah, y'all, we here, man. We finna drop this thing all to my guy Omar, man. You know what I'm saying? So you gonna get me right. Y'all only seen his work. He got some crazy work. Make sure y'all follow them at Glow Optics. Glow_Optics on Instagram. See. Okay. And then Glow-Optics on Facebook. Listen, it's finna be crazy. You know what I'm saying? He just showed me some crazy stuff that he did on the previous vehicle. You know what I'm saying? Then there goes Audi. It's kind of dark right now. Hold on, let me get my light out. Y'all see the Audi thing. That's gonna be crazy. You know what I'm saying? So that's gonna be yeah, man. Y'all see it, man. It's gonna be crazy, man. So finna get some work done. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, follow them on Instagram at Glow_Optics, and then Facebook Glow, just Glow Optics. You know what I'm saying? Hit them up. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want some work done? Hit them up. It's been a while for me. You know, it's been a while, but we finally in here. Time to step it up. Y'all see that reflective on that thing, man? Y'all see it. And if y'all want to see his work too, check it out on Instagram, everything like that. Cause he like I said, he showed me some crazy stuff. Yee! So I'm excited, man. So stay tuned until tomorrow. Next scene.
next day.
Yeah, it's the next day. It is time to go pick up Subzero. Yeah, we're gonna see it. Now I got a special surprise for y'all when we go pick it up. Yeah, y'all know the license is getting done, but we got a special surprise. Little small details goes a big way. I'm trying to tell y'all, small details go a big way. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Let me know what y'all think of the surprise. Anyway, let's just get right into it, baby. All right, y'all, we here. We in this thing. Yes, sir. We in here, man. This thing look crazy. Yeah, that thing good. Girl, y'all see that? Dang on that. Yeah. Oh, come down. Yeah, that look crazy. Y'all see this thing, man. flowseries finally got it done. You know what I'm saying? Oh, and that ain't even the surprise. What the heck? We in here. Who got that? Who got? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Oh, y'all see them color changing on that thing, boy? We in here. We are in here finally. Look at that. Bro, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. That thing look crazy. Oh, for sure. Saw that blue and white thing right there. Woo! Y'all see it, man. Y'all can't really see it on camera, but up close, that blue and white go with the. Does the lights match the route? Does the route match the light? I don't know. Y'all tell me down there. Comment section below. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. Y'all see that thing, man? If y'all ain't did it yet, make sure y'all follow Glow Optics on freaking Instagram. If y'all need some work done, hey man, just hit them up, man. Definitely excited. Finally got this done. Man, it's crazy. Lights on? Huh, lights on. Yo, stop playing with your boy. I'm definitely gonna picture that. All right, y'all. So now it's nighttime. I know a quick transition, but it is now. Hold on, make sure y'all can see. Anyway, quick transition. Y'all can see me now and everything like that. So now that it's nighttime, I can definitely show you guys more in depth of the headlights, baby. You know what I'm saying? So of course, yes, it's on both sides. Shout out to my guy Frank for doing that for me. You know what I'm saying? So of course, so now we're gonna do, so they are app controlled. So now if I wanted to do a solid red color, of course, you know what I'm saying, you know, blue and all that other stuff, then of course yes, I can turn it off. Everything is through an app. So if I want to turn them off, I just hit that, boom, now they're off. So just in case police or cops or whatever try to start tripping, but I'll turn them on, boom, already on the last color that I had them on. So then now any color, this is the app. So if I want to go here, it has about, if I look at it right, has over 100 different modes. So it's about 120 plus modes, whatever. Then of course I can adjust the brightness of them. So in case y'all want to see, I might do it like that for camera reasons or whatever. So just so y'all can see it, I might cut them up just a little bit. So then of course I can slow it down. I can slow it down. It's slow as heck. So then when I do this, I'm not gonna go through all the modes, but as y'all can see, we out here, baby. Slow it down. We out here, baby. Then of course, you got the red, got the green, you got the blue. Then of course I got the underglow going. I got all that going. Then I got that going. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I'm not gonna go through all the modes, but it's definitely crazy because then now you see my Mortal Kombat, of course the Lin Kuei symbol with the frozen dragon. The frozen dragon, bro. Come on, man, stop playing with me. So let's make it a solid color real quick. You know what I'm saying? Let's turn it on white. So now y'all can see the frozen dragon on this thing. You know what I'm saying? I can make it brighter if I really wanted to. That's how bright it gets. So when I'm driving on the street, I got to use the white light. Don't want to get pulled over. So like I said, I'm just turning it down for camera purposes. Then of course, if I like, so say like I like the purple one, all I got to do is hit the heart that's on here. Ooh. Hit the heart on there. So then now it's already marked in red. We did a test run earlier. So now, boom. So yeah, man, that's crazy. Like I said, I'm not gonna go through everything. Just showing y'all the different ones. I don't know what I'm gonna do for car shows though. Ooh, look at that one. Yee. Tell you, man, this thing is way crazier in person. So of course, you know what I'm saying, y'all gotta come see it. Ooh, big red, white, and blue. That's hard. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, y'all, that's gonna be it for the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. You know what I'm saying? So stay up, stay cool, stay safe. Mask up, baby. We out here.